Hello everyone! Today in this video we will see how you can apply coupon discounts in your ELEX WooCommerce dynamic pricing and discount plugin. So without further delay, let's go to our test site and see the process in a step-by-step manner. As you can see, we have already installed ELEX WooCommerce dynamic pricing and discounts plugin. Click on the settings option to go to the settings page. From the settings page, click on the discount rules to check the available rules. Let's create our first rule with coupon discount. Once the rule setup is open, fill up the required fields like offer name, rule applicable on products, check for minimum and maximum quantity. Then select the discount type as coupon discount. In next step, click on the associated coupons and roles from the left column. Let's understand the coupon settings in details. First, we have auto apply coupon. This will be handy if you want the coupon to be automatically applied whenever the required conditions are met. Then you have the option to set up the coupon code. After that, select the coupon discount type. You can select percentage discount, fixed cart discount and fixed product discount based on your business requirements. Also, as per your requirement, you can select discount percentage, usage limit, the validity of the coupon, and allowed roles. We are only filling up the basic requirements for this demonstration. After you fill up the settings, don't forget to save. Once the rule has been created, go to the front end of your site and add that specific product into your cart and open the cart page. Now, add the coupon code into your cart to see the discount on the cart page. As you can see, the discount has been successfully applied to the cart. If you want the coupon code to be applied automatically, head back to the coupon settings page and enable the auto apply coupon option. Upon updating the rule, head back to the shop page and add the product into the cart. As you can see on the screen, the discount and the coupon have been successfully applied to the cart. If you have any further queries, then contact our support team by following the link provided in the description. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.